Open the photo you want to use. Go to Elements, Shapes, and add a square. Cover the entire photo with this shape. Make the shape black. Add a text box. And type your text. Pick a font. And make the text white. Adjust the size of the text. And place it in the center. Go to Apps. And search for the Shape Cutout app. Export design. Export. Select all the letters. Add to design. Go to Position, Layers. Remove the text layer and the shape layer. Adjust the position of the layer with the cutout text. Adjust the transparency. And that's how you create this text effect.